Hey guys, I want to say thank you so much. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what we're going to do or how we're going to do it. All I know is you're going to start seeing more of me. So when I created this channel, I was actually pregnant. So I couldn't really get into it because I was always tired, whatever. But now my baby's 8 months. He just turned 8 months yesterday. So I got a lot of stuff I'm working on. I have my seasonings dropping. But first I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed. Like, yeah, I'm almost at 1,000. And I ain't really turned up. But now we about to turn up. I got some new stuff coming. Other than the seasonings, I'm going to be having events. A lot of infused events. My camera cut off, my bad. But I was saying, make sure you send me your email addresses. Basically, I'm just trying to make it easy for you to cook like a chef in your kitchen at home. And I feel like that's the goal. That's my goal anyway. I don't want to just show off my good cooking skills. I want to teach you guys, educate you guys. I'm self-taught, so I just believe on us all sharing information with each other. It just takes a few seconds out of your day to, spread the love. So that's what I want to do. I do love cooking because I feel like it brings all of us together. I feel like cooking really brings your family together. Do Sunday dinners with your family. I know it's easy for us to text message or hit each other. I say each other, I'm high. Or hit each other up on Facebook or Instagram or the social media, the Twitter and all that. But that's really not having a relationship. That's really it's kind of like a third party vibe in between the intimate connection between you and your family or your loved one or your spouse. Forget all that. Like, I'd rather you call me or we chop it up, but I see you in person over a nice drink, over a nice meal. That is communicating. So cooking and serving your family is one of the most intimate and beneficial ways of communicating. So with that being said, again, thank you. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. We about to go up. I'm going to make sure I put more content. I'm going to let you guys see the baby. He has a chef outfit, Y'all got to see that. That's cute, but I'm so pressed. Okay. Yeah. I'm happy to be back. Thank you. Let's go. Comment. Talk to me. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know, what you need to know. If I know it, then I'm going to let you know it. Just talk to me, y'all. And watch the whole video. Bye.